Hi all, I Negin Mehrpooya and my colleague Hussein Naqibi want to show you how to sign X64 Win7 drivers. In last episode, we showed you how to run TE1400 MATLAB interface. And here we want to show you more details about how to sign your drivers. The best reference, as always, is Beckhoff Info 6. If you search driver sign Beckhoff in Google, you will see these results. I have opened this one, and here we have some details. I open test signing. These are the steps that you should do, and I will show you how to do them with more details. First, you should search. If you search command prompt, you can see developer command prompt for Visual Studio 2015, and you should right click on that and run it as administrator. Yes. Now you should copy this line that you can see here. Copy and paste it in this window, and then if you enter that, you can see the word succeed here, and if you can see it on your own PC, it means that you are succeed, and you can continue your way and go on next step. Okay, now here you should again for next step you should search here run and this one. If you write MMC in the open tab and press OK, yes, you can see that here you should press file, add or remove snap in. Here certificates and add my user account, finish and OK. If you open this and in private cert store certificates, you can see the certificates that I've made them before. If you close the window, it will ask you save console setting to console 1. I will press no because I've done these steps before and I don't want to change them, but you should press yes. The next step, as you see here on Infosys Beckhoff, is to you should find this icon in my laptop. It's computer. You may find it as PC or other things. Anyway, right click on this icon and properties, advanced setting, and environment variable. You should make a new variable, and the things that you should write here are in this step, and you can see them here. You can write them and you can copy them. I will copy this one. You should copy this one and paste it in variable name. Here, paste. And for variable value, you should write this one, which is here, written here. Okay, and copy this one too, and paste it here. Again, since I've done this work before I press cancel, but you should press OK and OK and again OK. Now you should activate test mode on your PC. To do this, you need to again search command prompt. That's here. Again, run it as administrator. Yes. Okay. Here you should copy this line, and again paste it in this window, enter, and you can see the operation completed successfully, so that it means that you are succeed to activate test mode. Now you need to restart your computer, and if you restart it, then you can see test mode Windows 7 build on your PC, on your desktop, and the bottom of your desktop actually, and that's finished, and you are successful to activate test mode and assign your drivers. It's the end of episode 2. Wish you success.